Today we're looking at the Yamaha FG800J&T, a popular beginner-friendly 6-string acoustic guitar with a solid spruce top and traditional dreadnought body, one of the top-selling student models in the world. 1. Build and materials. Solid spruce top for rich tone and better resonance. Traditional Western dreadnought body shape. Rosewood fingerboard and bridge for smooth pliability. Natural satin finish for classic look plus better sound vibration. Toe, tone and sound. Strong low end, warm mids, and bright top end. Solid top improves tone over time as wood ages. Balanced sound suitable for strumming, fingerstyle, and flat picking. 3. Pliability. Comfortable slim neck profile ideal for beginners. Smooth rosewood fingerboard enhances finger positioning. Good action out of the box, easy to fret chords. 4. Durability and build quality. Yamaha's consistent craftsmanship and stability stays in tune well with proper setup. Internal scallop bracing improves sound projection. 5. Who it's for. Beginners learning acoustic guitar. Students, hobby players, singer-songwriters. Great for pop, folk, classical crossover, worship, and country music. Realistically, if reviewing, highlight tone quality for the price, beginner pliability, and Yamaha reliability. These are key purchase drivers. Overall, the Yamaha FG800J&T delivers exceptional value, combining quality tone woods, smooth play feel, and durable construction, one of the best starter acoustic guitars in this price range.